Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And in today's video, I wanted to show you how you can actually upgrade from Windows 10 now for free if you are still running Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 8.1. So back in 2015, Microsoft allowed people to upgrade for free if you had Windows 7, 8, or 8.1. And they only did this for a certain amount of time. Now, the only issue back then was Windows 10 just had so much crap that they haven't dealt with yet. So they basically made the people who upgraded for free kind of like the beta users. So, and you only had so much time to revert back to your previous operating system. So luckily now, being February 2021, Windows 10 is a lot better than it used to be. So on this computer, I am still running Windows 7, just because it's always, even though it's not being updated by Microsoft anymore, it's still one of the fastest operating systems out there, and you don't need to have a lot of memory or some maxed out computer to have it run pretty quickly. But I wanted to actually just see if this works. So I'll put a link in the description for this site to do this. So what you need to do before this are one, I would make a system restore point, and two, I would also make a backup onto an external hard drive, or if you have a separate hard drive, in your computer. But definitely make a backup of everything you have on your computer before doing this. So you'll be at this page. You're going to download the tool now. We're going to keep it, and usually be a little bit faster, but we're running on Wi-Fi here. And we're going to go to Media Creation Tool, and we're going to execute this. We're going to run. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to stop sharing, and we're going to share the screen. So let's do that. Stop share, and then share screen. So you'll see my very basic view of Windows 7. No, it is not Windows XP. That's a lot of people have thought in the past. So, all right, so let's get this going here. And when it comes up, there should be an option that does say to upgrade, I believe is what it is. So getting a few things ready. So make sure you have, obviously, that your Windows 7, 8, or 8.1 is activated, and it's actually a genuine, that is a genuine license for Windows. So a lot of people in the past you can actually check that on Microsoft's website, but typically you're okay. You just go to Control Panel and you can check to see if it is genuine. So, all right, come on now. I wish I had a button here to, can I pause this? Yeah, let's pause recording and wait for this to go, and then I'll come right back. Pause recording. Okay, so now we are resuming the recording, and yes, I read everything. Ooh, all right, cool. Except getting a few things ready again. Hopefully it's not as long. I guess I'll just pause and then wait again. All right, resume recording. So this is actually pretty cool because it gives you the option to upgrade the PC or laptop that you're on at the moment, or you can just put in a DVD or a USB drive and it'll install it onto that, and then you can actually bring it to other computers as well if you want to. But you could also just go back to this site. So I'm just going to go upgrade this PC now. Next, downloading Windows 10. Again, we're going to have to pause. I'm on Wi-Fi, so the connection is a little bit severed. So I'm going to pause again and let this progress bar keep going. Okay, and then to the next step, creating Windows 10 media. So obviously you can still do whatever you want on your computer while this is going on, and we'll go to another pause and then resume. All right, so after that little option, it goes to like processing, whatnot. Let's see where we're going now. If I'm gonna have to pause again. Hopefully not. Okay, checking your PC. Come on. This whole video is just pause, resume, pause, resume. Okay, pause again. Hopefully this is our last screen. Yes, of course, read all this and then hit accept. Now choose what to keep. Let's see here. Make sure you're ready to install. Checking for updates. Oh, how I wish I was directly plugged in to the router. Of course, I started doing this. I like threw bacon on the stove, and then I'm running back and forth to making sure to hit resume record. Gosh. Okay, make sure you're ready to install. All right, we'll just, once this is done, obviously another pause and resume. Okay, so here's our, what seems to be our final screen here, ready to install. So from here, obviously you're going to click install. And so I'm going to stop recording here just to show, because this will most likely go into installing, obviously it's going to go into installing Windows 10, but then I will no longer be in Windows 7 anymore. So it's going to go right into Windows 10. So I'm going to stop my recording here. You click install and I'll show you what happens after that. And here we are after a couple of restarts after we clicked install. So yeah, it just went through some updates and so forth, and now it's just in the process of setting up Windows 10. And then we're going to see, we're going to go to the control panel and make sure everything is activated, make sure everything that I need is there. So, okay, well, this looks good. Okay, so I'm going to pause this, go through these little, let's see, this is just for me. Online speech, no. Find my device, no. Inking and typing. Apps can use advertising ID, no. Get location based like direction and weather, no. Accept. Okay, I'm just all no. All right. Searching for display driver. Okay, so we're in here. Cool. Maybe later. Let's get to the, let's see. Let's get to the control panel. Let's see here. System. And the cool thing with Windows 10 is that it has the same backup and the backup system as Windows 7, so it's actually pretty easy. System. Okay, come on. Restarting. Okay, but so the last thing I'm going to do is go in the control panel and make sure everything is activated and genuine. Okay, and just so we can see here, Windows specifications, Windows 10 Pro installed on February 17th, and yeah, the easiest thing I can probably tell you to do is just visit the link in the description. and just hit upgrade and then welcome to Windows 10 if you don't already have it. Yes, I do have Windows 10 on another hard drive, but I wanted to test it with this one. I just like I like the speed of Windows 7. That's all. So, but that's it. So if you still are running Windows 7 or 8, 8.1, then you can still go to Windows 10 for free in 2021. So that's it. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.